Assalamu alaikum. My beloved students of class 5, how are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is CBQ, I mean competency based board question 4 to 7, I mean 4, 5, 6 and 7, 4 questions, part 5 and all questions from chapter 2 and lecture number 27, and there is no HW this week. My beloved students, you will get very soon your assignment, religion assignment, maybe this Thursday. That's why I didn't provide you any HW this week, because you will be involved, you will be engaged in for doing the assignment, religion assignment. So very soon you will get the religion assignment. Okay, so let's start. What is the question number 4? All are from CBQ, competency based question. Question number 4 is, why is it necessary to keep clean? Write in 5 sentences how you will keep clean yourselves. I hope you understood this question. So answer is, Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says, cleanliness or purity is a part of iman. There are many ways of keeping clean ourselves. So students, the first part of this question, why is it necessary to keep clean? So already you got that answer, because Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says cleanliness or purity is a part of iman. So this is the reason, and there are many ways of keeping clean ourselves. 5 of them are: number 1, we can maintain the cleanliness of our mouth by keeping our teeth clean. Number 2, we have to keep our nails short and hands should be washed properly. Number 3, we have to wash hand before and after taking meals. Number 4, after returning from toilet, we have to wash our hands with soap. And number 5, we have to clean our feet by washing properly after work. So thus we may keep clean ourselves and can be disease free. My beloved students, everyone want to keep themselves neat and clean. If you be neat and clean, then Almighty Allah will love you. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam also will love you. And very generally, you know, those are unclean. I mean, those are dirty. Their bad smell will come from their body, from their mouth. Bad smell will come, and then the friends will not join with them. Nobody want to be friend with them. That's why everyone should be neat and clean in every sector. You can keep clean your room, study room, your reading table, and sometimes you can keep clean your house also. So like this you will practice this. Okay, now question number 5, write 6 benefits of paying zakat properly. Already we discussed about the zakat. So what is the benefit? You have to write benefit of zakat. Almighty Allah says, Aqimus salata wa atuz zakat. So you can add this speech of Almighty Allah. If you don't add, no problem. 6 benefits of paying zakat properly are narrated below. Number 1 is, wealth will increase and be purified. This is the first benefit. Your wealth will be increased. Number 2, social peace will be attained. Number 3, the intention of sacrifice will be increased. Number 4, we will gain the satisfaction of Allah. Number 5, we will obtain peace in this life and in akhirat. And number 6, zakat will make a bridge between the poor and rich. There are many more benefits of paying zakat properly. My beloved students, if you perform the zakat properly, according to the restriction of Almighty Allah, according to the commands of Almighty Allah, then this benefit you will get. First of all, your wealth will be increased, your wealth will be purified, and then every sector in society there will be prevail the peace and tranquility, and there will be the bridge between the rich and poor, and more benefits are there. Okay, now number 6, write about how you may devote your whole time in ibadat. Students, already we discussed about this, how you can spend your 24 hours in ibadat. So answer is, how we may devote our whole time in ibadat. If we take halal, I mean lawful food, saying Bismillah, and after taking the food we say Alhamdulillah, then the entire time for eating food will be treated as ibadat. And then if we say Bismillah while reading books, the entire time will be treated as ibadat. Number 3, helping a blind man while crossing a street is an ibadat. Number 3 done. Number 4, during sleep, if we take the name of Allah, the entire sleeping time will be treated as ibadat. Number 5, removing harmful materials from the street is an also important ibadat. Thus, we may devote our whole time in ibadat. My dear students, here said many of the options. For example, in a day, almost 2 hours you are spending your eating time. So every eating time, before eating, if you say Bismillah or after finishing Alhamdulillah, then among the 24 hours, 2 hours already goes to the ibadat. And you are sleeping almost 8 hours. So before sleeping, if you say Allahumma bismika amutu wa ahya, or after awaking, if you say Alhamdulillahilladhi ahyana, that dua, then the full among the 24 hours, 8 hours will be included is the ibadat. Or you are going to outside of the home, you are studying. So for example, 4 hours you are spending your study time. So you say Rabbi Zidni Ilma or the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So like that you can spend your whole time in ibadat if you follow the Allah and Allah Rasul's speech. Okay, now last question, number 7. Your brother performs his prayer in mosque behind the imam. What is this way of offering prayer called? What are the benefits of performing prayer in such way? My beloved students, at first you have to understand what question is saying. Your brother or you or your father, they goes to the mosque and they are performing the prayer with jamaat, with congregation. And what is it called? And what will be benefit for them? So that is the now see the answer. This way of saying prayer, I mean he is performing the prayer behind the imam. This system is called saying prayer in congregation or jamaat. And the benefit of performing prayer in jamaat are, students, you will get these 5 benefits in your book. Already we discussed. After that I am telling you, number 1, deficiency of his livelihood will be removed. Number 2, suffering in the grave will be excused. Number 3, record of virtue and vice will be given by right hand. Number 4, he will go to Jannat without any accountability. And number 5, he will cross the Pulsirat bridge in electric speed. So these benefits they will get those who will perform the salat with congregation. So you will try to get this benefit always. So if you perform the salat, your deficiency will be deficiency of the livelihood will be removed. I mean every time there will be no tension for getting the foods, for getting the rizq, and the punishment in the grave that will be excused. You will get your amul nama in right hand, and you will cross the Pulsirat. There is the bridge, Pulsirat bridge, that you can cross that with the electric speed. Like that you will get many more benefits. So only 5 here said. So I hope you will practice from today for performing the salat with congregation. That's all for today, my dear students, and already I told you there is no HW this week. So keep practicing at home and to abide by your parents. See you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.